You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. Let's hear the British English pronunciation first. Paton. Pay, not pattern. Paton would be the French pronunciation, but it's generally in English. Paton. The American English pronunciation is as Paton. Paton. Paton or Paton. How to pronounce Paton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.